everyone. Welcome to Knowledge Enlightenment Podcast. Unfortunately, today is a very hot day today, but either way, we had to go and shoot this thing. So, guys, honestly, to be honest, I feel like it's actually necessary for us to acknowledge how can we make money from nothing? How can we earn money while we're sleeping? How can we do that? And guys, you need to watch this. You have to watch this episode. It's very important, especially if you are one of those people that you actually find yourself finding it difficult to make money, finding it feeling very stressful, or actually feeling very lonely, or thinking about the situation. Is this thing going to work? Nah. This episode is strictly made for you. If you want to make money while you're sleeping, I feel like it's necessary for you to watch this episode. So, for beginners who want to make money from nothing, this episode will blow your mind like hardcore. Okay? So, either way, let's not talk too much about that. Let's just focus on what's actually important now. So, number one, digital assets. So, while you're sitting, just calibrate what are digital assets. And then when we look at the economy, or when we look at the fourth industrial revolution, what is happening to our society? Are we digital or are we physical? What's happening? So it's a question that needs to come into your mind. You need to start asking yourself that question. What is digital assets? Digital assets could be online platforms, like online platforms. So let's go deeper on the ones that are very, very important. So number one, create and sell online courses. So by creating and also selling online courses, what comes into your mind? So what are the courses that you can actually sell, that actually you can sell online? You know that when you're selling things online, when things are on the market, people can buy while you're sleeping, you earn money while you're not doing anything. So what we mean about that, we mean that share your knowledge and also skills by creating online courses. Once created, remember that once you create those things, you can sell them with a minimal maintenance. So I mean, like, let's say you are able to create portraits, or you know how to draw portraits, or how you can actually teach people how to do that. You can actually create an online website where you can actually sell ways how to, it's a course, you can sell to people how to be able to start creating your own portraits, how to start painting, whatever skill you, how to draw, how to start writing, like also mathematics, how to start solving equations. You can actually be an educator, I would literally say, or a tutor. You can use your knowledge to make money. You understand? So whatever skill that you have, you can use it online to make money. So can you see that you don't need to pay anyone anything? You don't need any basic salary or anything. You can actually just start now. You can actually start today and start earning money. But remember that it requires you to be patient. But you earn money from doing nothing. So number two, this is one of the most, I love this one, hardcore affiliate marketing. Wow. And I'm sure that majority of you find this very interesting because you are familiar with affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, it's a very broad industry, and it's very nice because it gives you this urge and confidence. It alerts you, it shows you that you're capable of anything. So if any of you don't understand what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing, it's when you promote products or services from other companies, right? And earn commission. So from you promoting services and products from other companies, you earn a certain commission. So for each sale made through the specific link, the specific referral link that is actually part of affiliate marketing, where you register, for instance, Amazon, CLICKBANk. There's different types, or also brokers. You can do quick trade. As long as you are able to promote the company and bring customers, as long as you're able to bring customers to the company so that they can be able to view the products and be able to buy and also sell those products, I feel like it's very important. So it's necessary for you to acknowledge those things. You can actually make money from nothing. It requires you to learn. That is why I always say learn, read, research. You will find that money is everywhere. So I'm sure that you guys understand what affiliate marketing is. It's a product from every company. You sign a contract with the company that you every customer that you bring in their company to buy, you earn a certain commission from that. So I'm sure that you guys understand what affiliate marketing is. So third and lastly, so this video is not going to actually take long. I feel like it's for the ones who are actually desperate, or the ones who are actually curious, who are asking themselves questions, how can I make money, who are not literally sure. So remember, this is just information. We're not advising you to do anything. We're just showing you information that you can utilize for yourself out there. So number 3 is ebook publishing. A person that loves book editing, that loves writing, if you're an author or you love reading books and all that, so you can actually make money from all those things by, since you're reading, so you know how books are literally written, you know how this author constructs their book, you know the formula of how they start their books, the process, how they write, all these things, accumulating the skills. And when you read, you accumulate skills and understanding how books are literally supposed to be written. So by knowing all those things, you can also start your own book by your experience. You can write books based on your experience, or whatever skill that you have. You can write a book and sell it to people. How to accumulate the skill, how to make money from the skill. You can do a lot of things. So by doing that, when we're talking about book publishing, we're talking about writing and publishing an ebook on a platform like Amazon Kindle, and also direct publishing or Apple Books. So by doing this, you'll start earning money when people will go to Amazon Kindle, or also Apple Store, where they are able to download or to buy the book straight from the app. So you start making money from nothing. You literally make money from nothing. You don't need to pay anyone, you don't need to do anything, you just start earning money. So guys, if you find that this little episode that I actually picked for you, you find it very valid, please make sure that you check our description link. There's also links where you can actually start clicking, so you can start registering yourself, start doing affiliate marketing, or start creating channels for yourself. It's very important for you guys to take this into consideration. So I would literally appreciate you guys to not take this information lightly. I appreciate you for supporting Knowledge Enlightenment Podcast. Please like, subscribe, and share.